Hello lovelies, welcome back to Alakeoge YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is on how to do French seam finishing. So to start off, we need to identify the wrong side of the fabric. This is the wrong side of fabric. I'm just going to mark it with a chalk, and also on the second piece of the fabric you're using, I'll mark the wrong side. So the first thing I'll do now is, after marking the wrong side, is to put the wrong side facing the wrong side together and run a stitch. So the sewing allowance that I'll be using is almost half inch, not up to half inch, like I'll just be. So if you have 1 inch sewing allowance, you're going to divide it by 2. You can just do like 3.75 on the first stitch. So the first thing I'll do is to join the wrong side together facing each other, just like I've showed us earlier. So I'm just going to run a stitch like 0.35. I'm just going to run it straight down the wrong side. So I back stitch, make sure to do that. Then I'm sewing right now, and I back stitch at the end of the fabric too. I'm going to cut out the excess thread. So this is the first part of what you need to do. So now the next thing I'll do now is to flip the fabric. We joined the right side facing each other. So the next thing we're going to do now is to join the wrong side earlier. So the next thing is to join the right side facing each other. Make sure the allowance you joined earlier is inside the fabric. So that's why you have to use smaller allowance first, then you use more here. So I'll be doing around 6.25 the rest of the allowance I have. So I'm just going to join it together like so. Back stitch at the beginning and also at the end when you are sewing. It's very important. So can you see, this is the wrong side. Can you see the perfect finishing inside? There is no fraying thread or something, and still the right side looking so beautiful. So this is how you do your French seam finishing. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel for more awesome content. So thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you learn a new thing. So I'm going to catch you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.